Mount your exhibits onto the lightbox. Let me show you exactly how this process works. The Expo system gives you the opportunity to place various exhibits in front of your lightbox before printing. For this, we have the magnetic holders and the PIXLIP EXPO mounting bolts. They are attached to the vertical struts, and since you can place these either in the middle or rear groove depending on your setup, you have two different distances to your print. That's why both the mounting bolts and magnetic holders come in two different lengths. Installation is quick, easy, and requires no tools. Simply place it at the desired height and tighten the wing screw. You can now adjust the position continuously and with millimeter precision to align it with your print. We want to place our exhibit exactly at the center of the X in Expo. Simply slide the holder and strut smoothly into place, and it fits perfectly. Use a utility knife to cut a small cross into the fabric. Then carefully screw in a bolt and attach a holder of your choice. We used another mounting bolt, which now gives me complete flexibility. There are absolutely no limits to customization. You can find more videos like this at PIXLIP.